Record. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Kareena, pursuing BTech degree from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My today's subject is waste management and the topic is Indian scenario and progress in municipal waste management. Waste is a material which is useless or discarded, and waste management is a process which is intended to reduce the adverse effects of waste on human health, environment, planetary resources and aesthetics. And the major contents here are Indian scenario of municipal waste management, highest waste management states, recycling scenario, environmental impacts of waste, progress of municipal waste management. Let's begin. Indian scenario. Factors affecting here are urbanization, industrialization and globalization. About 43 million tons, that is 70%, are collected, of which about only 12 million tons are treated and 31 million tons are dumped in the landfill sites. India generates 62 million tons of waste every year. As per Government of India estimates every year increase of about 5% annually. In 2022, amount of waste generated is equal to 160 million tons. Here is the picture of municipal solid waste, composition of municipal solid waste, and here 38.1% is paper, 13.4% is yard waste or garden waste, 7.7% is metals, 9.4% plastics, 10.4% food waste, 5.9% glass, 5.2% wood and 9.9% is of other waste. Highest waste generation states. As India is one of the highest population country, the waste generation is also high. Here are some highest waste generation states that are Maharashtra, which is 22,632.71 tons per day. Uttar Pradesh is 14,700 tons per day. West Bengal 13,709 tons per day. These states generate highest waste in the country. Landfilling is the most used disposal method in India. Disposal of the waste, means waste is at the end of its life, and landfilling, incineration, composting, vermicomposting are the other disposal methods. Recycling scenario and environmental impacts. It is estimated that about 40 to 50% of the plastic waste gets recycled in India as compared to the 10 to 15% in the developed nations of the world. At the dump sites in the city of Mumbai, for example, 95 workers were examined and was found that about 80% of them had eye problems, 73% respiratory problem and 27% of skin lesions. These are the environmental impacts, as the dump sites contain hazardous waste and the solid waste which mix together and form such a serious problem. Volatile organic compounds and dioxins in the air emissions are attributed to increase cancer incidence and psychological stress. These are the graphs of the declination of landfill and increase in the solid waste management. Progress in municipal solid waste management in India. Rapid urbanization, population growth, economic development and changes of standard of living have generated more municipal solid waste in India. The quantity of solid waste generation has been increased many-fold over the period of time. For example, Comptroller and Auditors General 2009 estimated 48 million tons. Department of Economic Affairs 2009 estimated 58 million tons, and Central Population Control Board CPCB 2016 assessed 62 million tons. Balasubramaniam 2015 observed 100 million tons per year. Lack of finance and technology has other problems in municipal waste management. Here the lack of finance includes, as the waste generated is more, the collection responsibility is also more. The collection includes collection vehicles, collection crew, etc., and the technologies and the equipments required to manage the waste management is also required. It is projected by the year 2013 the MSW generation shall increase to 165 million tons and to 436 million tons by 2050. Electronic industry. Electronic plays a very vital role in the waste management as e-waste contains some hazardous waste. Basically it is from lead, cadmium, due to which the reactions it reacts with the environment and causes even more harmful reactions. In India, most of the operations related to e-waste such as collection, segregation, recycling and disposals are performed manually, due to which it affects human health also. Improper recycling and disposal operations found in different cities of India often involve the open burning of plastic waste and dumping of acids. So this basically includes all the batteries, all the components of the laptops which react, and it reacts, and it is obviously segregated manually, so it affects the human health, the environment, the creatures living around the dump sites, etc. Thank you all. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you.